CD23, Tbet, IRF4.
Yeah.
So this is the same what you had, except now I adjusted the scale. So both sides got exactly the same scale now. For both x-axis, y-axis, they look the same scale.
Yeah, it looks good.
Now,
Actually, the clusters look like they're in about the same. Well, no, not quite. Okay.
right, they look almost the same, right? But the problem is, not problem, but in reality, it's a problem because I cannot flip it. So the real problem in the IL4 group, this is 18-hour IL4 group, this is all FCR2 positive.
Yeah.
CD38, not too much, but they are this way here. But unfortunately, the other group, tons of CD38, but they're this side. So they look identical, but really this is CD23, this is CD38.
Where's CD38?
CD38 and the IL4 is on this end, so they don't overlap.
Is this supposedly the plasmablast?
I hope, hard to tell, really hard.
Are they decreased with IL4?
Decreased, so you see scattered, right? Scattered. And so with this marker, IRF4 here, and Tbet here and here.
Oh, yeah.
And then in this group, so I kind of derived the differentiation. So this is,
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
so I label 1, 2, 3, 4, so that help us to say which one first. I was in FCR2 positive IR4. 4 is the most naive, right?
Yeah.
Then this together, they go up, and then this down-regulate FCR2, and then up-regulate CD38. So to me, the stage was this, then this way, or this way. This is the no IL4.
Yeah.
But with the IL4, it goes this. 1, 2, so 3, not too many, and then 4.
Yeah, but not too many. 3 is
3 is FCR2 negative, IR4 positive. And that's why
not too many negative.
Yeah, that's why this scale is important. You said, why is this so far apart?
No, it's okay.
No, yeah, so it's important to put the same scale. Whereas here they are, so even differentiation, this go here, then split, and then this or this. This one go this way and only one fate, like this. So where's Tbet? That is the question. Tbet.
Well, wait a minute. This says this. Can you go back? Well, yeah, IL4, there's that split.
Yeah, so without IL4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 doesn't connect to 4.
Yeah, so there's
right.
a split in the
Right, because it's different. Yeah, they even in between is this. Then they go this way or that way.
So the CD23 negative can become what? CD38 positive, which is a plasma, or IL4 positive, which is what?
For positive, FCER2 positive. So I think that's why I named this 2. But this is a small subset. Finally, this is a bigger.
But what is 3? What do you think those are?
Those are DN2 based on this.
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, DN2. All right, go back.
And then, but it's also here, but these are becoming plasma. So it's like that. So in a way, although 3, 4 have been splitted, but based on Tbet, both have the Tbet signature. So on the other hand, I don't know which one is DN2, DN3. I don't know. But for now, I just call it 1, 2, 3, 4. But 4 got CD38, so I think that's more plasma.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, but the IL4 group doesn't do that. Or if you consider this is this, so this very small, but oh yeah, this is this. That means they have very little DN2,
Oh, I see.
right? And even the plasma is smaller. So this is 32, this is 15. And then this in between, because FCR2 is so high, it somehow prevents the IR4 positive cells to upregulate Tibet, I think. So it's like this, which I need to look at it specifically, that so I think it's a missing of population. So the plasma, I think this together, even like the DN2 and plasma. So this is 4.
Mhm.
But on the other hand, 3, hard to say which is 3, which is 4 here. I tend to think this is 4. This is 3. But hard to say that. Yeah. But for now, I label this as, this is 2 because it got FCER2 positive. And then that's 4 because it's FCER2 negative.
No, that's good.
Right, yeah. So
And let me just make sure. Yeah, that now that you got that worked out. Is that consistent with what this does?
okay, so let's see BAC2, since I got the file still. Let's see where BAC2 look like.
Oh yeah. BAC2 is critical. It represses PRDM1 and IRF4.
Yeah,
At least,
but
like,
yeah,
mhm.
this is BAC2. I don't see BAC2 to be, see BAC2 is highest in here. The FCR2 positive, IRF4 positive. This is the no IL4. And some in this FCR2 negative, IRF4 positive.
So
That's,
look,
yeah,
okay.
no IL4. So now this is IL4. It's not necessarily higher in the IL4 group.
Where's IL4?
This is IL4 group.
Oh,
So remember the 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 seems to be the highest. That's FCR2 positive, IR4 positive. So in a way, it's true in both subset. This subset has the highest BAC2.
oh, that's consistent with you know, induces BAC2 is higher. Wait, which is IL4? To repress IRF4. Where's BAC2 again? With IL4?
This is with IL4, but that's not the case though. You see, BAC2 is higher in the IRF4 positive cell. See, 2 is IRF4 positive, IRF4 positive. 3 is still IR, so 2 and 3 got higher BAC2. Here 2 got higher, 2, 4 has somewhat higher BAC2. So 1 got the lowest BAC2.
Yeah.
And 1 is the most naive. Oh, we don't know, it's FCR2 highest. And everything else negative.
What about
So it doesn't fit here. Bach 2 doesn't fit here.
what about PRDM1?
PRDM1 is not detected.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I went through a lot of trouble to get all the plasma gene. You see, I got this core plasma list, but they don't show up. Core plasma gene list. They got CD24, CD27, CD38, which works so well. IRF4, they don't even overlap. PRDM1, just one dots there. XBP1, it's kind of all over. So it's here and here. So it's consistent with the IRF4 and then plasma.
Well, it should go with IRF4. What about the other side?
Okay. So remember, it's 2 and 4.
Yeah.
CD24 low, 27 didn't show, 38 in 2, 3, 4, IR4 in 2, 3, 4. PRDM1 don't show up, XBP1 all over. So I think XBP1 is upregulated by IL-4 directly, so it's not a good marker for plasma in this case, because IL-4 directly upregulates it.
Yeah, but it's upregulated on the other side too.
Yeah, so compare this with this, I think IL-4 is higher.
Yeah, it's higher, but XBP1, I mean, yeah, it's just higher.
I actually
It's a
went
highly
to
expressed
the website. This is a list of bone marrow plasma cell. See if it show up at all. Yeah, don't show up. Then there's this is plasma blast. So yeah, but it's not consistent with what we think. Let's see. This one, yeah, some here and then some here in the CD38. Plasma blast. Doesn't show up. So they don't show up very well. Plasma blast. This one more consistent.
Yeah. It's interesting. You got a nice subset of genes there.
I created. That's why it took so long.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then here's the pre-plasma blast. It doesn't count. It's IL-2 receptor. Yeah. So some that show in this region.
It's good. IL-2 RA is high.
Yeah, that's not specific. I don't think so. Right, so not a, let's see what anything else I got. Oh no. Let me see this side, pre-plasma blast. Somehow it's in the IR4.
Oh, that's a high one.
That's IL-2 receptor.
Oh,
So
what's the previous one? Oh, no, I looked down there and then I looked up there and it was high,
mm,
okay.
there's somehow these gene lists don't work very well with single cell. Okay, this one is a plasmablast gene, but then it's on this. Let's see. On the other hand, this one is on this end. So somehow IL-4 signal twisted a lot of things.
I don't know what this gene is.
I think we just have to stick with our
Simplified model.
right, just the fourth thing. Then start to
Yeah, piece of
yeah,
puzzle.
right. These and then just look at the T-bed. That because we know that's down.
Right.
Mm,
All right, that's good.
mm,
I think that's good.
yeah,
It's
so
sort of consistent with what I've been doing.
right. So at least IR4, that seems to
Yeah, IRF4 seems to be.
yeah, right.
And AHR can regulate that.
Mm.
And BAC2, no BAC2 though?
There's
Oh, no, there is BAC.
BAC2 is here.
Oh, yeah, there's BAC2. It must be BAC2 because
Yeah,
BAC2.
BAC2 here, and then yeah, so it's not really. I forgot where BAC2 is in the.
I got it here. It's in everything. By the middle, it's all over.
Yeah, it's not clear. BAC2 is not in. Yeah, it's in here in the IRF4. That's right. BAC2 higher in the IRF4.
Oh yeah, good. But that's good, right?
And BAC2 higher. Yeah, so the IRF4 cell, see how high the.
Oh, BAC2 goes with IRF4.
Right, so that's not. You say, how could.
No, BAC2 represses.
I know, that's why it doesn't fit.
Oh.
Mm,
Why is it not always not fit?
I don't know. I don't know. This is very strange. That's why we have so hard because it don't fit.
BAC2 goes IR4, but that's exactly right.
BAC2 is lower in the IL-4 treatment group. I did notice that IL-4 doesn't upregulate BAC2.
I thought it did,
No, it doesn't.
but used to.
No, it never. We never said that. We could never said that because the data doesn't suggest that.
So IL-4 doesn't upregulate BAC2?
No, it doesn't. It was higher in IL-4 receptor positive. So those naive cells express BAC2 compared to the yeah, but doesn't IL-4 doesn't upregulate it. Oh boy, I'm tired.
Yeah.
It's 1:15. I gotta go. I think I'll stop here. But I guess we could start to look at the T-bed. T-bed.
You did look at T-bed, right?
I think we look at these different subsets to show T-bed expression.
Oh.
And compare apple with apple, orange with orange, that kind of thing.
Yeah. All right. Well, you got a progression. You got, so that's a meaningful thing. You just have to
Mm,
go with the data.
yeah, at least we can explain IRF4 now. So
Yeah,
that
well, that's
helps.
good. So IRF4 is low, and AHR decreases IRF4.
Yeah.
So at least that fits.
Well, so they have a huge population of IRF4 positive though in the IL4 treatment group. Whereas this one, well, maybe overall is about the same, but proportion-wise, this one got a lot of FCER2, whereas this one is a smaller subset. They have more IR4 negative.
But IRF4 positive, is that the DN?
Sorry, I said it wrong. They have a lot more. So 2 and 3 are IR4 positive. But 2 got FCER2, 3 doesn't have. So it's flipped. One has very big population of CD23 positive, IR4 positive, whereas the other one got lots of FCER2 negative, IR4 positive. So that's the difference. And so we need to see this compared to this and this compared to this. What's the difference?
Well, just remember one IRF4 is below.
Yeah, I think hopefully.
I'm just thinking in terms of the grant,
Right, I think it's something. IR4 did get upregulated. So the problem is not IRF4. The problem is, but then this cell cannot, it doesn't express TBET, even though IR4 can be upregulated by IL4.
I see.
Yeah, so the difference is, but then these cells express a lot of CD23. So again, really overall, no matter how you look at it, how you dissect it, it's the CD23 that is the main difference between IL4 with the no IL4. That is the key.
So IL4 does what to IRF4?
It's not like that paper that split, right? They say this IR CD23 positive, that's IRF4 negative versus CD23 negative IRF positive. That's not the case here. The case here is there's a huge population of CD23 positive, IRF4 positive. And of course, this progressed from here to here, but they don't develop into these. So these two become downregulated. Somehow the cell got arrested right here. Not like this, they become this or this. In this case, no, they stay like this. This is the strangest thing, not strangest. This is the main thing.
So what does it do? What does it do again? They go from
That paper said, IL4, the beta split, right? One has high CD23. They stay as CD23 positive.
Yeah.
One has CD23 negative, but they express high level IRF4, and they develop into plasma.
Yeah.
Yeah, here it's not the case. So this is, they still have, but then I guess they downregulate FCER2, downregulate to 3 and 4. So the IRF4 here did develop into 3 or 4. Here, they have this huge amount of CD23 positive, IRF4 positive. these don't develop further into 3 or 4. So 3 or 4 together is 20%. Here, 3 and 4 together is almost 55%. So these somehow they start to try to upregulate IRF4, but maybe the CD23 signaling way too strong, even here, way too strong. So that prevented IRF4 somehow still block the IRF4. Right, the chromatin, we should see what they say in that paper, that
Yeah.
this CD23 expressing cell, even though they express IRF4, but it still blocked the transcription effect of IRF4. So this IRF4 positive cell cannot further develop into these. That's what it means.
Yeah, they can't develop into, there's just a few non-regate,
Right.
positive, and then over here, I don't know what these are. These IR4, what are these? What's population 4?
4 is CD23 negative, CD38 positive.
What about IRF4? What's that?
IRF4 is kind of low. It's well, okay. The very end, you see IR4 become downregulated. So IR4 is high in the middle side, but then downregulated to CD38 positive. That's why I kind of gave 3 is here. You see that?
Yeah.
3 is here, and 4 is that end, like that. Now I look at it. Maybe I need to cut a little bit more toward. No, it's about right. Yeah, it's about right. Yeah, so so the very end, that's IRF4 negative, CD38 positive.
All right, I see.
Mm.
All right, but that's good.
Mm.
Can you show me the big picture again? The what is it?
Big picture.
You know, all your little where you did your layout there of the gene expression.
Oh, the gene expression.
Yeah, IR4 and
Or the core.
yeah.
Okay, let's start with the.
You already no, not that. No, the thing you keep showing, the bit you drive the box.
This one.
Yeah, I don't see it. It's not here.
I don't know what you want.
It has all of the box. It has, you know, they laid it out in a, I guess, PowerPoint slide or something. Where you cut and pasted them all somewhere.
This is the one I'm showing right here.
Oh, no, it's not on my screen though.
I don't know what it is.
I just see the two big ones of the 4 populations. No, the
Oh,
one.
that's what. Oh, I see.
The
So
gene.
the screen got shipped to the other side. Is
Yeah,
that what it is?
maybe. I don't
How
see.
did it get shifted?
Oh yeah, this thing. And that's right. That's that. What's the next one look like?
No next one. I'm up to here only.
Well, you had one where the genes were laid out.
What do you mean? All genes are laid?
Genes dotted all over, like IRF4 and Pox and Tibet.
That's what it is. That's what I'm showing here.
No, it's not there. That's not here. This is
not this.
This is just 2 boxes.
Not this.
Show the other one. Just any other one. It's probably the right one.
I don't understand.
Just the one where you have all the gene. The show where the genes are, the distribution of IRF4 and.
That's what I'm showing here.
No, the actual gene expression box.
The extra gene expression.
You got the panel. You got the upper and lower.
I don't understand.
You know, where you show the panels of gene expression in all the populations. Upper is no IL4, lower is at no IL4, and then goes IRF4 and Tibet and so forth. That one.
This one.
Maybe we got it in the wrong side because what I see is just 2 boxes here in the 4 populations.
Yeah, it's 2 box, that's
No,
right.
no, then that's not it. The one that has like 6 boxes upper, 6 boxes lower.
I don't have